Utongoria wa thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza rungu rwa President William Ruto no uthiete na mbere na kumurikwo ni ciiko cia njuragano na kunyitwo migwate kuria rurungani miaka iri thutha wao kuoya wathani. Gikundi cia gutetera ihoto cia umundu citongoretio ni IMLU ciugite thiini wa miaka iri Akenya 128 ni moragitwo ni maabitha a borithi hindi ya mirurungano etiganite gicunji kinene kiri mbeu njithi.
The numbers that we reported in terms of violations were 259 male and 37 female, okay? And a total of 67 deaths were reported during 2023. So far, we've reported 61 deaths. We've reported 67 enforced disappearance. These are people who were arbitrarily arrested and disappeared. And some were not even arrested. Though actually, we've seen goons who abducted people.
Murugamiriri munene wa ikundi kia IMLU Wangeci oigite thiini wa mirurungano ya Gen Z makiria ma Kenya 600 ni maguraririe uru na rithathi ndogo cia kuruta maithori miuthi na angi kuhurukio ndutho ni maabitha a ugiteri.
When you look at the total statistics, we note that over 80% in total of the number of people who were violated and who experienced different forms of injuries and the dead, majority of them are actually young people.
It questions the whole moral compass of our country. Where are we going? Kenya is supposed to be a democratic country, but now we're looking like an authoritarian country.
Tiga ikuona nguraro Wangeci ahithuritie a Kenya 130 ni manyititwo migwate na matioikaine kuria mari.
Just recalling the statements of the Cabinet Secretary for Interior, he did mention last week that indeed there are hundreds, at least there's 130 something persons missing. This has been our message over and over, that we have Kenyans that are missing since the protests. And I'm really glad that finally the government has acknowledged that we have missing people. Now the question is, where are they? And we really want these young persons to be found. We want them reunited with their families.
Maya magithiaga na mbere gikundi kia haki Afrika ni kireganite na ikinya ria thirikari ria guthika miri iria itatambulikanite.
The government is planning to dispose of these bodies. How are people supposed to confirm that their kin are lying in any of these morgues? Why is the government so quick? We've had unknown bodies for months, maybe even years. But now after these protests, the government seems so determined to dispose of these bodies.
Hussein Halid akiuga kwahota gukorwo thirikari irahitha ikuire cia kuirwo cigitafanio hindi ya mirurungano.
Nairobi we all have almost 100 in the different morgues. In Rongai we have around 17. In Mombasa we have 6. Kisumu we also have unknown bodies around 10, but I don't have the numbers for all the counties. Here we also have more unknown bodies, but we've been informed that those bodies came after the maandamano.
Kameme TV gikuhe uhoro gitau jeta gitau wa Wanjiku.